already half into it. Look at her. What a big girl. What a big girl. And she was doing that. See, I did not know she was doing that. That's so cool. She thinks I'll stay this way. So if I get too high, I'll tumble over. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. What did you do? You kind of bumbled over. Look at her. Look at that baby girl can sit up all by herself. She can sit up all by herself. What a big girl. Y'all can see there, but I don't want you not to see her, but look at her. What a big girl. What a big girl. You're a contortionist.